Hello smart mathematicians, let's do question 2a. In the diagram, point A and B in the first quadrant are points of a quadrilateral ABCD. The equation of the line DC, this is line DC, is given as y is equal to negative 1 over 3x minus 1. DC forms an angle of theta with the x-axis as indicated. Determine the size of angle theta. We have to use the formula m is equal to tan theta, where m is the gradient of the line. Now, how do you find the gradient of DC? From the equation. From the equation, remember, y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the gradient, the coefficient of x is the gradient. Or if you say f of x is equal to ax plus q, the coefficient of x there is the gradient. The gradient of DC is equal to negative 1 over 3. We're getting this from the equation, right? So using this formula, tan theta is equal to negative 1 over 3. And then we find the angle theta, saying arctan, or the inverse of tan, then negative 1 over 3. Okay, put this in the calculator. We get that theta is equal to negative 18,43 degrees, or 18,4 to 1 decimal place. What is the size of angle theta? The size of angle theta will be, therefore, theta is equal to 18,43. Okay, this is the angle we're referring to. Remember what we do when we get a negative angle. What we usually do, our angle will be equal to 180 degrees minus 18,43. So when you're doing that, we're getting this angle, which is on the right of the line. So this angle is 161,57 degrees. Okay, we get that when we do this. But now we're looking for theta, which is this side. So and then you can say 180 minus 161,57, you'll get your angle, your theta. To 1 decimal place, theta is equal to 18,4 degrees.